Yeah, just teaching me the rule, not blaming my my fault. I'm just doing a patrol task. No, you're not explaining. I think you are angry about me. You are angry about my BDM about you on you. Ah, when the on the first you chat. Yeah, but he didn't respect me. A newbie officer. See that? That's a small matter, and I didn't see that coming. You're going to big matter, huh? You're doing a big matter. Yeah, just recorded it. I know you are going to record. I kill you. Yeah, just report me. Report me if you want. I'm not scared. Yeah, report to the admin and ban me. Carson Ward. Come on, passer. You're the one first. You're the one first. You have no manners. You're using power of the higher ups, but like a higher rank.